Good morning, class 5. So, now next topic is subtraction. Why I didn't continue with addition is because addition and subtractions questions are mixed. Okay, so I thought first we'll learn this subtraction. Then we'll come again, we'll go back to that addition because the word sounds are mixed. Okay. So here, subtraction, you all know subtraction, if you have 5 sweets, 3 sweets you ate, then how much is left? That is the question in subtraction, isn't it? You have 5,000 in bank and you have withdrawn 2,000. How much is left there in the bank? 3,000, isn't it? So these type of questions are in subtraction. You are going to subtract. Isn't it? So, now this in addition, I didn't show the addition because you all know how to add, but here subtraction, why I have shown is because most of the students actually, they get wrong answers when they subtract, and in division also you have to subtract, that time also you make mistakes. So, this subtraction is very important, especially the borrowing ones. Okay, so here borrowing subtraction I have set here as an example. So this is the large number and this one is also large number. You are going to subtract. Now I have written the answer already, but still I want to tell you 7 minus, you always start from ones, isn't it? So not from the last one. Always subtraction starts from here or addition also starts from here. So 7 minus 0 is 7. Here only you make mistake. 7 minus 0 is 0 you write. Okay, that is wrong. So 7 minus 0 is 7 because if you have 7 sweets, you haven't eaten one also. That means nothing you have eaten. How much is left? That's 7 only, isn't it? You have not eaten, you have not given it to anyone, so 7 sweets only will be left. So it's like that. Nothing. You are not subtracting anything. You are subtracting nothing from 7. So 7 minus 0 is this number only. Okay? Then 3 cannot subtract 6. But here some of the students write 3 minus 6 is 3. They write, why? Because they will subtract nicely. They will subtract from here. 6 minus is 3. Always the bigger number will be in first line and smaller number will be in second line. And you always have to subtract from the bigger number, the first line. Remember that. Not from here. This one is small, this one is bigger. I can subtract from here. No, it is not allowed. Okay? Always from here only you have to subtract. Then what to do? So 3 cannot subtract 6. You have to borrow 1 from here. So 13 it became. So 13 minus 6. You know accounting. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then here it has given 1 already. Then 6 is left. 6 cannot subtract 8 again. Again borrowing from here. 1 goes there. Okay. So 16 it became. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now here 5 is left. So 5 minus 5 will be 0. 5 minus 5 is not 10. Remember. And some will write 5 minus 5 is 5. That is also wrong because you have 5 sweets and you have eaten all 5 sweets. How much is left? Nothing. 0, isn't it? So it's like that. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay. Then 0 minus 8. Nicely you write 8 out here or you write 0. I don't know how you are solving this problem. I don't know how 8 will come as answer, how 0 will come as answer. So remember all the numbers which is in first line, that will subtract the number in second line. So 0 cannot subtract, but it can ask 1 from the neighbor. Okay? So this will give 1, but it is only 1. So when it gives 1 out here, it will be 0. Okay? 0 cannot subtract 7. Again it will ask this one, but it does not have. So it will ask this one, another neighbor. Okay? Then 5 will give 1, it becomes 10, but from 10 it will give 1 to the other one. So this will become 10, but this will remain 9. Because from 10, 1 is given out here. This is very important. Here only some of the students make mistake. Remember, 0 cannot subtract. So from 1, this is gone. And here, not 9 left. Here, 0 is left. And from here, 1 goes. Then 10 minus 7, 3. And this is 0. 0 cannot help, but it has taken 1 from 5. So it had become 10. But after giving 1 out here, it became 9. Okay, so 9 minus 2 became 7. And here, after giving 1, it became 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is the answer. If you want to put it, use that Indian base value system. You can put comma, 1 takes 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, well, this became 1 crore. So 1 crore, 73 lakh, 20,877. This is the way you subtract, especially borrowing subtraction. You have to do like this. Okay. Now comes to terms related to subtraction. So last time I had taught you terms related to addition, addends, and the answer was called sum. These terms are very important in word sums, word problems or word sums. Okay, so here also in subtraction, the one you know in subtraction always bigger number is in first line and the smaller number in second line. So always subtraction takes place. How? From bigger number we are going to subtract the smaller number. Okay, remember, don't write 5 up, 7 down. How are you going to subtract? Always the bigger number up in first line, then smaller number in second line. Okay, so just to show you these terms, I have taken example of one digit number. Okay, so 7 minus 5 is 2, that you know, but what are these terms called? So the bigger number in subtraction called minuend, M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minuend. In addition it was addend, and the other numbers also called addend. But here different terms in subtraction. The bigger number is called minuend, the one which subtracts. Okay, and the one which gets subtracted. Okay, smaller number. That is called subtraend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D, subtraend. Okay, so bigger number minuend, smaller number subtraend, and the answer after subtraction. Okay, here also after subtraction you got answer. This answer is called difference. Remember this, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C. These are the terms used in subtraction. If I asked difference is 2, or if I said minuend is 7 or minuend is 5 and subtraend is 2, find the difference, then you have to understand. I mean, what is minuend? What is subtraend? What is difference? Okay, so from the term, if you know these terms, you will be able to know that you are not going to multiply, you are not going to add, you are not going to divide, but you are going to subtract. From this word only, these are the hint. These words will give you hint that you have to subtract. Okay, find the difference. Difference means subtraction's answer. That means indirectly what the question is saying, you have to subtract. Okay, so just like in addition, sum, find the sum. That means you are going to add the numbers. Okay, so addition's answer is called sum. So you have to add. Now in subtraction, difference. If somebody says find the difference, then that time what is difference? Multiply, divide. Don't think about that. Difference means subtraction's answer. So you have to subtract. Okay, so these words or these terms you have to learn with spelling. Okay, M-I-N-U-E-N. It is in book also. So the bigger number which you subtract with, that is called minuend, and the number which you are going to subtract, that is called subtrahend. Okay, and the answer you get from subtraction is called difference. Please remember this. In next class, in subtraction also, I am going to tell you the missing subtrahend, minuend, how to find out. Okay, in next class. Okay, thank you.